Rest on time, my body. Rest on time, my body. Rest on time, my body. That shit hard though.
Come on, man. Stop playing.
Stars in the roof.
And I know you're not gonna race me.
Match the stars in the roof. Oh, you know they're not gonna race you?
They're not gonna race me.
It's your boy Bright, back with a video. Post on car show today, me and the guys. I'm saying on some simple shit, fuck you to my. Y'all stay in Palm Beach, pop out to our next one. We just got here, we just started it, so it's too early out. Welcome. Yo.
We out here at the tire shop.
Oh, my fault, cuz. My fault, big bro.
Fucking SRT pussy ass.
Cut. Can we redo that shit?
Yeah, hey, come close, cut.
Redo that SRT tent. The Lambo tent.
Jokes now.
The Lambo tent right there. That's the lower
SRT, yeah. SRT, yeah. Givenchy, yeah. I feel like I cyber Z. Said she wanna fuck with me, but now I don't fuck for free. Bitch, you gotta pay the fee. Half of y'all just be free. Yeah, that shit gon' be. I'm traveling, I'm touring, I'm bowling, I'm scoring, I'm fucking on your horn. I'm in the gut, she roaring. That SRT be soaring. She wanna sit, keep pouring. SRT, 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 SRT. Givenchy, she all on me. She all on me. She all on me. She all on me. She all on me.
I don't know that shit. I don't know if y'all know about speakers, but
I know my basic shit. I ain't know a speaker had. I want to say this look like a 10, might be a 12.
I got 2 big ass battery packs in the back. I got this. And
Don't?
I put 20 last minute a week.
Yeah?
Yeah, for half the tank.
I was gonna put her in a week on my Durango.
Word, let's switch.
Hell no. What? Look at that trade. This shit slap though.
First intent on the book, like who was that? Who take the bag?
I'm in the gut, she roaring. That SRT be soaring. She wanna sit, keep pouring. SRT, 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 SRT. Givenchy, she all on me.
SRT just cruising. That case she can't be cruising. Bad bitches you want to cruising. Bad bitches you want moving. On the t-shirt, yeah, that be moving. She a bass head, so she be grooving. I'm the chaser, and I don't be choosing. She can bang head, but she got fluent. SRT just cruising. Just playing that shit can't cruise. Got a new stick, can't wait to use it. I'm a nuisance playing my music. Got a new stick, can't wait to use it. I'm gonna shoot it, I'm gonna abuse it. With my animals, I'm on some G shit. My dogs just don't even know who kid, but I got new gas. Get a bad bitch with a new bag. Niggas been talking, they too trash. Like bad bags. Since I was a kid, I had bags. As out the bitches from Baghdad. As out the wood, but I passed that. Say you want some, but I taxed that. Said that this bitch, but I smashed that.
Yo, it's wild out here. Oh, snap.
This shit hard.
Oh, snap.
Sure, bitch.
That's nice, bro. Oh,
sir, I had to get the stars in that bitch.
Yes, sir.
Hey, y'all boys, y'all need those conscious for that, sir, bitch.
It's either between this car right here or this car.
For what?
For best looking car. Alright, what's up? This your whip right here?
Yeah, bro.
So we see him do the burnout shit. Show us inside real quick. Yo, John! John! What you think?
With the stars and shit,
Who you got?
I might have to take it. I don't know.
What you mean, like, is the finalists
Best
to win?
looking. Yeah, to win.
Hey, that shit hard though.
Come on, man, stop
The
playing.
stars in the roof.
And I know they're not gonna race me.
match
That's
the
for
stars
sure.
in the roof. Oh, you know they're not gonna race
No,
you?
they're not gonna race me.
He said he know they're not gonna race him. Man, Scat might have something to say about that. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of biased on this one because this is what I'm trying to get right here. So I don't know what to take. This shit crazy. Plus my dog was fucking turning this shit up. That shit hard. You got the red guts on the Scotty too. This shit hard as fuck.
Oh, that red interior.
Who you got?
Yeah, red interior.
That's what I said. It's hard to beat
too, bro.
Yeah, that red interior is hard to beat. I ain't gonna lie.
Comes out of Infinity, Genesis.
Man, let the kids decide, man.
It's between me, him, and John.
Right, we could let the kids
Let the
decide.
kids decide.
Let the kids decide. Nah, for
Why
real.
you want me to spend me money upon this? What you
Yeah,
talking
put the
about?
cards up in the middle. Let the kids decide.
I was just saying, oh yeah, tell them I'll pull up in the middle. Yeah.
Let the kids decide.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with the Challenger for that one. Best looking.
Best looking, definitely.
I love the Scotty.
I love the stars.
It's different.
I
The
like
stars in the roof is hard, but the way it's suede and it's just a Challenger.
My favorite-
He had that bitch spinning. He had
Let me
this
put
shit
it because
lit.
I'm not in this, right?
going through all that extra shit.
Look at the blend.
It just look good, though.
It looked great. It's spinning. Do it, does it?
Everything's different, though.
But it's like this car is stock. Like you got this car like this. You know what I'm saying? Well, that car, you just put time and money.
The kids ready.
Still, but
You have 6 kids. They
All
gonna
right,
pick which one got
who
the
you,
best with.
who you got? You got this. So no matter who I vote, that means he won that because it's 2-1.
it's 2-1.
Yeah.
Y'all
Oh,
biased
Reggie?
for real.
Nah, it's just me. It's us three. We 3 people. It make it
Us
hard.
three,
That's
me, you, and Reggie.
No,
Bro, you are
Us
high.
three?
You are high.
Us three.
Yes.
Yeah, y'all 3.
It has to be an odd number. So that means he won.
So we're not going with the kids.
Wait, why would I? No, Jen, shut the fuck up.
Bro, the kids are the future,
You
man.
can't pick you.
For emphasis.
Yo, you want 50?
Gleefully. Hey, 50 bucks. You about to change your life, bro. Bro, make sure you don't spend it all in the same place. Go get you an LLC, a business, all that shit. Alright, you know, bro.
He barely did right there, boy. It was a little biased. I ain't gonna lie, but it's straight. That bitch talking. That red suede. That red suede.
Stars are nice, though.
The red suede is hard to beat.
Definitely hard. $50 from a dog. Big money. Yeah. Sorry, bro.
Hey, let me know in the comments y'all want to see. You feel me? SRT versus the RS, man. Stop playing. You know what it is. You know where.
Yo, we about to have all y'all vote. All y'all vote. What speaker's better?
Oh my God, no backseat, just straight speakers.
That nigga lost in. Yo, play that Young Nudie song. Play that Young Nudie song. We got Who you got? You got him, right? I can't. Who you got?
I got the van. Listen, if they can get that clarity straight, I got the van.
Every day,